guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. It's time for another video in my Crafty Advent Calendar series from Spellbinders. So today is day 10, so let's go ahead and open up that box. Okay, so looks like we have got another little die set. So I'm going to go ahead and get out my die cutting machine and get started die cutting. So I don't know about you guys, but I have a ton of different panels that I've created in different techniques over a long time that I haven't used. Like this one is some Yupo paper and some alcohol ink, and I'm using my precision base plate from Sizzix so that I can cut this out. Die cutting out of plastic doesn't really work that well, and my magic mat just doesn't put enough pressure on it to be able to cut out. So that's why I'm using this one. I also flipped it upside down with the precision base plate on the top and my plastic plate on the bottom to keep my plate mostly flat. It doesn't tend to warp if I do it this way, but if I did it too much, it will. That's why I use the magic mat. Anyway, these turned out just lovely, and it's got a variation of color there because of all of those fun alcohol inks. And next, I am just going to finish doing some die cutting, and this is what I'm going to be using for my card today. So for the background, I'm just using a panel that I did with some foil and some deco foil duo transfer gel. Yeah, transfer gel duo. Anyway, I did that probably 2 years ago. Yeah, I'm pulling stuff out of my stash. And I'm stacking up the little pieces of the flower, each up on some foam tape. I'm using this thin foam tape that I've got from Scotch that I got off of Amazon that I love, and I use it on almost all of my cards. And that way I can put some dimension on there without putting too much, because if your tape is too thick, you can't really layer it like that. But it's going to work great for this. And then I'm going to position my flowers and the leaves and all the things on the front of the card. I think this is going to be lovely. Okay, and now I'm just going to add some liquid glue to the back of the panel, and then I can put it on to my card base. And I trimmed my panel down to just below A2 like I normally do. So this is 4 by, let me put some more glue down, but it's going to be 4 by 5 1/4 onto an A2, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 for the card base. There we go. And now I can just add my little sentiment. I'm going to add a little bit of foam tape to the back of that one too. And there we go. I was thinking of maybe adding some sequins or something to this, but I think that has enough shine right there that it's perfect just the way it is. So thanks guys for joining me again for a new Advent Calendar series video. This is for the Advent Calendar box number 10, because today is the 10th of December. And remember, I am doing these videos every day at 4 p.m. Eastern time, so be sure to check back tomorrow to see what I'm going to pull out of box 11. You guys have a wonderful day. Oh, and the playlist for all of them should be here right in the description, and it'll pop up on your screen as well. So you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.